It's Thursday, October 3rd. Just wanted to follow up on AMD. You can see here on the daily chart today so far, we're only almost a half hour into trading. It did have the inside bar breakout that did reach its target up here. So I discussed how I bought it aggressively at the open. I was going to look for that inside bar breakout. Then at that point, I want to see if that failed or continued. Obviously continued higher towards its target. You can see the 15-minute chart here. First bar was strongly green. We followed through now 2 successive bars. I bought it here at the low blue line. I scaled out here and these 2 blue lines, and this was the target that I was hoping, it would reach, assuming, price action didn't fail on this inside bar. So now you're just at a point where it's hit the target. We now get to see if the next target begins to be reached, and we just look at intraday structure to determine that. At this point, that's the expectation, or that's the next level. And as long as the intraday structure just kind of works up and has orderly pauses, we're expecting price to work its way up here overall. So, you don't know for sure, but this inside bar didn't fail. It reached its target. And now with the next target being up here, the weekly highs of last week, you get to watch intraday structure to determine if that target's going to be reached or not. Again, I bought that stock. I bought AMD at 162.65 aggressively at the open, scaled that at 163.75, 164.50, and right now we're up to all the way up to 166.32 as it kind of works, past that first target and has good structure on the day to the upside. So I just thought I'd follow through. Again, I decided on this one, since it's a stock I always have on watch, to buy it aggressively on the 5-minute breakout. I wanted to then watch 15-minute price action unfold, and I knew the context of the daily chart, what to look for here, and I also know the context on the weekly chart, on the green week from last week that's holding the midpoint and contest up there, that's also in play. So the context is always, something you're considering, and then you kind of watch how price action opens each day relative to its pre-market range and first bar to determine if there are some high probability setups forming or not.